Welcome to the final part of this journey that has been this makeup look. We're going to be finishing up this cherry inspired makeup look, and the finishing touches are totally what make a makeup look, so let's get to it. Now the first thing that we're going to focus on is the eyes. We're going to add a black waterline. As you can see, Kylie has one. What you want to do is grab a black eye pencil, and this is going to make all the difference in your makeup look. And you're just going to gently, with your eye open, trace it along back and forth your waterline. That red that we use is really popping through. You can see it, and just do a few coats of this black pencil. I don't have my lash curler, so I'm just gonna go like this and then apply mascara, but use your lash curler right now. Surprisingly, that kind of worked. Use any mascara of yours, your favorite mascara, the one you use every day. I recommend the Lash Princess one though. This one goes such a long way and looks really, really pretty. I'm surprised I was able to pull that off with no lash curler. They're kind of curled. That was a cool trick. Now for lips, you already know we have to go dark. I'm thinking Matte Diva. I'm gonna find like the darkest lip liner that I have, and then we're gonna use that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this dark red. And then I'm gonna use this MAC Diva. This is like the stunning shade that will match this look perfectly. That matched perfectly. Now what we're gonna do so that it doesn't smudge, I'm just gonna get some of the powder that I have here and just gonna apply it around the mouth, because if around your mouth is kind of oily, it's gonna smudge. Now for the finishing touches, just add a little bit more of the black waterline and apply some more mascara. I feel like with a cherry makeup look, the eyes totally make or break the look, and we really want to make them look striking, and that's why we're doing such a dramatic contrast. I'm gonna take the hair clips down for the final steps. Now the best way to finish the look is add some highlighter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply this to the higher points of our face. We're gonna do, the brows. We're gonna do the cheekbone. You're gonna do a little bit on the nose. Just do like an exclamation point and then Cupid's bow. How do you think I did? So this is my look. Oh my gosh, I forgot the last part. Clear gloss. I knew something was missing when I was looking at these photos, but clear gloss is the last step to a cherry makeup look. Now, how do you think I did? I think I did it pretty well. If I had a little bit more of a red blush, I feel like this would be spot on exactly what the inspo is like. But again, the lips are really what make it, and I used MAC Diva lipstick for this. Wow, the gloss is so pretty with a vibrant lipstick like this, but I hope you found this helpful, and be sure to follow for more tips, tricks, and advice like this. Have a great day. Bye!